In this lesson, we will create our first sketch and start from the beginning. We launch FreeCAD and select parametric part creation. Here we begin the project in the part design module. As I mentioned earlier, the sketcher module is closely related to this module, where we create 2D sketches that serve as the basis for creating a 3D model. To start creating a sketch, we click this icon, Create Sketch. Next, we specify the sketch plane. We have 3 basic coordinate system planes to choose from: the XY plane, the XZ plane, and the YZ plane. Let's choose the XY plane. To select this plane, we click the left mouse button on this plane. Now this plane is the sketch plane, and as you can see, we have been switched to the sketcher module. We have access to the sketching tools. Here we have tools related to creating geometry and tools related to constraints. Constraints are very useful, and we will get to that shortly, but for now we will create some simple geometry. The general principle of creating geometry in FreeCAD is that we select the geometry we want to create. We have several basic shapes. Let's choose to draw a rectangle. Then we specify 2 vertices of the rectangle. As you noticed while drawing the rectangle, we can specify the dimensions of this rectangle. Type here, for example, 100, press Enter. We have been switched to specify the dimension of the second side, and here type 70, press Enter, and right-click to cancel the rectangle drawing command. As you can see, we have created 2 rectangles. This rectangle is dimensioned, and we cannot change the dimensions of this rectangle, while this rectangle is not dimensioned, and we can freely change its dimensions. For this rectangle, the dimensions are constraints that limit the degrees of freedom of this geometry. As I mentioned, we will get to that shortly. In this lesson, I wanted to show you how we can start sketching and how to create a simple, basic geometry, such as a rectangle.